going to solve these two sets of problems with the separation of variables and the method of integrating factors. So first, I'm going to do separation of variables with the first one. And so this is going to give us dy dx is equal to negative 3y. So then I have dy over y is equal to negative 3 dx. Integrating both sides here, I have the ln of y is equal to negative 3x plus c. Taking the e to both sides here, I get y is equal to c e to the negative 3x. Okay, so that's the first part by separation of variables. Next, this is my p is equal to 3. And so then I have mu is equal to e to the